হবে যে?
Could I appear for the petitioner in that matter? My lord, there has been a mistake on the part of my junior. I tender my apology. There was
Correction is there.
yes, your lordship's copy was corrected before filing. My office copy was not corrected, so I prayed for
তাহলে ওই
leave.
পোর্শনটা বাদ দিয়ে তবে করে দেবো। উইল কারেক্ট ইট। নিয়ে যাও ওই পোর্শনটা বাদ দিয়ে আবার করে দেবো। হ্যাঁ, চেঞ্জ হয়ে গিয়ে প্রথম লাইন গুলো বাদ দিয়ে দিই। আপলোড করেননি তো? ও ঠিক আছে, তাহলে এই দুটো লাইন বাদ দিয়ে দিলেই হয়।
I'm grateful. But I'm extremely sorry, man.
Honorable, may I be permitted to mention a matter? In this
That
matter,
matter.
your lordship made the order to allow me to file afresh with regard to that particular demolition. This matter is appearing as item number 912. As
Which list?
such, I am submitting before your lordship, if your lordship can. Also borrow.
Who was appearing for the state?
912.
912. Monthly list. Monthly list.
No, today's list. Today's list.
দেখো নোটিশ দিয়েছে কিনা একটা ডেট দাও। নোটিশ সার্ভ নোটিশ দিয়েছে স্টেটের কে? No. Serve notice and then mention. Maybe not come.
Lordship, may I permit to mention, Lordship? Matter is, Lordship. শুনছি তো।
Not serve and please serve and come back. I will update.
My lord, leave granted to move on urgent listed motion, my lord, by tomorrow, Lordship. Very urgent matter, my lord.
No urgency.
Lordship, kindly, I'm ready matter, my lord. Lordship,
No urgency. File it. Yes.
May I permit to mention, Lordship, the petitioner is the leaseholder of the in the financial year of 2024-25, Lordship. Jela Parishad had published an auction for ferryguard, Lordship. The petitioner challenged the tender notice, and the order was passed by the Honorable Justice Dinesh Kumar Sharma, 8 April 2024, Lordship. Directed to the Jela Parishad to initiate process for concluded auction, but result will be published, Lordship. Auction was complete, highest bidder is selected. Till now, the result had not yet been published, but the petitioner operating said ferryguard without revenue, Lordship. That is,
Who is for the petitioner?
Lordship, petitioner, as I am serve a notice, Lordship, petitioner.
Item number?
Lordship, no, item matter is not listed, Lordship. Kindly listed the application for vacating, Lordship.
Lord, may I permitted to mention for upgradation of a list, item number 720, with notice.
Which list? কি হয়েছে? কোথায় নোটিশ দিয়েছে? নোটিশ দিয়েছে?
Lordship, I am.
You are for Jila Parishad?
Lordship, I am for the Jila Parishad. I file a vacating application, Lordship.
Can too.
Lordship, can too, Lordship. A report is already filed, Lordship.
Application is reading in here. Yes. Taken here the date.
File is mandamus, Lordship. This file is like mandamus section.
My lord, they permitted to mention item number 720 for upgradation of the list.
Today's list.
With
Monthly
notice,
list, which one?
today's list. 720.
আমার মোবাইল নাম্বার দিতে হবে।
720. With notice I mentioned before, lordship.
What is the urgency?
Urgency, my lord, relating to the formation of the Sangsad of a Panchayat, the lack of some formation of Sangsad, all the works have been stalled. That is, my lord, the Panchayat matter.
You are one of the member.
I am the elected members.
What is the name of the petitioner?
Lord, the name of the petitioners, my lord, the Samsuddin Mullah. All the with notice I mentioned.
My lord, may I please to mention one matter for your lordship, for inclusion in your lordship list, my lord. But the matter is relating to the unauthorized construction. But I have served the notice to the state trust respondent as well as the Pradhan as well as the private respondent.
Lordship, may I permitted to mention, Lordship, item number 1454 of the monthly list.
এখানে দিয়ে দিয়েছি, এখানে দিয়ে দিয়েছি।
1454. Yes, yes.
1454, Lordship, item number of monthly list, Lordship, the ground of urgency is that petitioner filed a writ petition before this court for encroaching the land by the private respondent, and petitioner is lot of difficulty to ingress and egress to his house. And your Lordship will heard and directed to serve the opposite private respondent on 9th December 2024. And the in the order there is your Lordship directed that the matter is appear on the after 1 week. But Lordship, I am praying for upgradation this matter because petitioner is much more suffer difficulty to ingress and outgress, Lordship.
What is the last order passed?
That I have not annexed, Lordship.
Oh, দেখো তো কি order আছে last. What is the date of the order?
9th December 2024.
দেখো 9th December দেখো তো।
My lord,
Construction is going on.
File it.
my lord, may I permit to mention a matter?
File in the department. You are free to be serious. No.
My lord,
No
may I
need.
permit to mention
File
a
in the
matter
department.
for upgradation, unauthorized construction without sanction plan. My lord,
What
private
is the item number?
431 of today's list.
Yes. What is the urgency? Madam?
My lord, private respondent in, in encroached the government land and petitioner's personal land was blocked for egress and ingress.
Mention afterwards. Mention after.
Your Lordship, may I be permitted to mention the matter is listed for upgradation. The matter is listed in today's list as item number 169. Your Lordship, the urgency is that the father of the petitioner was a panchayat karmi, and he died on 7th of July 2015. Within 3 months, the petitioner made a formal application on 7th of October 2015 on the ground on compassionate ground for died in harness. Your Lordship, on 4th of August 2023, the Assistant Secretary of Panchayats and Rural Development Department rejected the application on the ground of late submission of the pro forma application. Therefore, Your Lordship, the petitioner also moved a writ petition before this Honorable Court of Calcutta, and on 4th of September 2024, Honorable Justice Kaushik Chanda was pleased to set aside the rejection, stating that the ground of rejection is not sustainable. Then the Lordship, the order was also duly communicated to the concerned authority, but Your Lordship, they are again rejecting the application. They are not accepting the. Kindly, Your Lordship, fix any date in this week, Your Lordship. Obliged, Your Lordship.
May I have your lordships kindly to mention the item number 979 of today's list. But upon notice I am mentioning notice to the state as well as the private respondents. It is that, my lord, that refugee relief and rehabilitation department matter. Lord, petitioner is a senior citizen, my lord. Your lordship has allowed the mentioning on the earlier occasion. Fixed the matter on 14th of July at 4 p.m. my lord. Unfortunately, it was not taken up. Your lordship, my lord, kindly grant a date.
Given a notice to Mr. Manna.
Upon notice, yes, to both the parties, the private respondents as well as the state. Annex the notice.
কটার সময় আছে? আজকে তো দেখছি অ্যাপিয়ার করছে।
Yes.
কবে থাকবে? তারিখ?
তো হবে। এখানে date দাও। এই লিস্টে কত নম্বর, মানে কতটা সময় নেওয়ার কথা? বেশি নিয়ে যায়? ঠিক আছে। ডেট দাও। ফ্রাইডে দিয়ে যে কোনো থার্সডে ফ্রাইডে। স্পেশালি অ্যাসাইন কবে রাখছি? ঠিক আছে, এটা অনেক দূরে পড়ে আছে। দেখি ডায়েরিতে দেখো কবে হচ্ছে, ফাঁকা দেখে ডেট দাও। ক্লোজ করো না, ফাঁকা দেখে তুমি ডেট দাও। এটা যে কোনো দিন দেওয়া যাবে। 13th 13th অগস্টে 3:30 রাখো ওয়েডনেসডে 3:30 আমরা কি করছি 7 ঘন্টা রিটার্ন হলে 4 PM তুমি 13th রেখে দাও লেট স্টার্ট 13th
May I be permitted to mention a matter, Lordship? This is an application for relaxation of bail for inclusion in the list.
Yes.
My lord, may I mentioning one application for modification in bail condition. Modification bail condition.
I have
item number
my lord, item number 51 of today's list.
61
651.
Inclusion in the list আছে।
what is the urgency
My lord, the petitioners are the eligible tax collector to be promoted to the post of Panchayat Karmi. And since 2023, a list of eligible members was forwarded by the district Panchayat and Rural Development Officer to Govind. But since then, no further step has been taken. And they are getting only 500 requests per month. And from 2023, there is also a problem.
because of state কে দিয়েছে নোটিশ দিয়েছে
May I be permitted to mention a matter?
but again এতে দিয়ে এটা পেছন থেকে অগস্টে চলে মোশনের টপে যেদিন থাকবে সেদিন নিয়ে এসো 21st
Lordship, item number 81, Lordship. Lordship, petitioner is a schedule.
Today's list, monthly list, which one?
Today's list, Lordship.
881.
881. Lordship, considered Lordship. Petitioners applies for the recruitment process for the post of Sahayak Lordship, and the last date for recruitment is Lordship 23/7/2025. Lordship, petitioner stays at a remote area of Murshidabad. Lordship, as your Lordship know, there is no internet connection. Lordship, for that reason, Lordship, the chances missed. Lordship, for recruitment process, interviews process, last stage, final stage. Lordship. And Lordship, if kindly allow me to mention, Lordship, kindly fix it any day, Lordship, to place the matter before your Lordship.
Which date?
Any day, Lordship, as your Lordship seems fix. Any day, Lordship.
দেখি তো দেখি কি হয়েছে
Lordship, I am mentioning on.
My lord, may I be please permitted to mention, my lord? My lord, this matter, I'm praying for upgradation, my lord. It's in monthly list, my lord. My lord, the urgency is, my lord, that the writ petition is against the illegal construction committed by the private respondents, my lord. Now, my lord, after repeated complaints to the Panchayat authorities, no action was
what
taken.
is the item number
My lord, the item number, my lord, is
next
Your Lordship, may I be permitted to mention a matter? I mentioned this matter on Tuesday. Your Lordship directed me to mention this matter today. I'm mentioning on notice. This is a illegal encroachment in my land, Your Lordship. Kindly
what is the item
fix
number
any date. 621 of your Lordship monthly list. It was 621. It was in your Lordship's daily list on 24th July 2025, but then it is not in the list anymore.
mention afterwards
Your Lordship, I have
this is no urgency
Your Lordship, may I be permitted to mention for upgradation? These are two similar matters. It is listed in today's list as item number 105 and 106. Very short matter, Your Lordship.
what is
The urgency is that the petitioner was issued a work order dated in 2018. He has also completed the work and subsequently the completion certificate was also issued, and the bill stands out to be very small amount, Your Lordship. It is 4,99,000. Kindly fix any date, Your Lordship.
কতগুলো টপ আছে
The 105 and 106, Your Lordship.
wait for some
Yeah,
time
Lordship.
ওকে দিয়ে দাও এখন একটু পরে
if I may renew my chance, my lord.
Applies.
If I may renew my chance, my lord, item number 129 of today's list, my lord.
What chance?
My lord, mentioning chance, my lord. If my lord, I missed out on the my lord. My lord, the allegation is against illegal
What is the
construction.
item number?
129 of today's list, my lord. They are continuing with the illegal construction, my lord, despite the
Oh,
filing
wait,
of
wait,
writ,
wait.
my lord.
Let us do one thing. You mention in the next week.
129, my
Uttam
lord.
Chakraborty.
My lord. My lord, I've
Next
served
week,
notice
next
upon the other
no,
side.
next
Kindly, my
week. Mention next. Second deal.
lord. Okay.
Okay. Why you not here? This is group 5.
It's lordship. In question.
You have given notice.
Yes, lordship.
Here after 1 week. জানুয়ারিতে আপনার কথা আছে, ঠিক আছে। কত নম্বর আইটেমে আছে?
Item 1454 of monthly list. Monthly list.
রিটার্নেবল মোশনে ডেট থেকে অগস্টের এন্ড ডেটটা ঠিক।
Stop notice. Petitioners, private residents stopped sometime. Now they are starting a construction.
What is the item number?
Lordship not yet the matter. So
What is the item number?
150 yesterday listed.
For mention afterwards.